We're starting this project inside Photoshop with a clear design objective. The goal is to build a business-ready visual using a professional workflow, keeping accuracy and consistency as the priority. Business advertisements need to capture attention immediately while maintaining professional tone. Gradient presets provide structured color transitions that enhance depth and focus, supporting brand messaging without overwhelming the viewer. Applying a preset ensures consistent results across web ads and social campaigns, especially for audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. RGB adjustments refine contrast and harmony. Warm tones highlight calls to action, while cooler tones